Hey there, it's Deb, and I want to talk to you a little bit about something that I really enjoy doing, which is puzzles. You know, I didn't used to like doing puzzles because I would get this box. You know, when I would turn the box over, I was expecting to get instructions on how do you put the puzzle together. And I would get, in this one, I think I have over 1,000 pieces like this. And I'm like, you know, how do I get this all to work together, right? The other thing that was in the box that I could like pick up and bring close to, you know, the pieces that I was sorting through was a picture. And this is like what I would call your vision. And as a real estate investor, it's so important to have your vision. And what a lot of real estate investors are missing is what's missing on the back of these puzzle boxes. They don't have a step-by-step instruction as far as what are the pieces, what are all the pieces that I need to know about and put together, and in what order, so that it's easy for me, it's simple for me, and that I enjoy being a real estate investor, and that I consciously invest. I know where I want to invest. I know the types of property I want to own. I know the type of tenant base I want to work with. And I know my financial objective. Like that's you knowing the pieces to your puzzle, having answers to those questions. So what I found out about puzzles is that one of the best ways to put a puzzle together is that you do the frame first. You do the outside so that you have something to work with. And that's what I call your vision as a real estate investor. And, you know, I've put together a course, you know, a format for you, and you look at your vision for yourself. And this is an 8-step process where you go through and you answer every single question so that you're really crystal clear before you begin. Like I'm really crystal clear before I begin trying to create this picture, which is your vision, that first I need to do the outside. After I've gotten first what I have to do is turn all the pieces over. I sort through and I get the pieces that have that straight edge, so I know those are on the outside. I put those together, and then I sort them out by like colors. Like if you look at this for a moment, you can see that there's a few things in red. So I put the red pieces all in a pile because I know they're going to help me create these designs, right? I put all the gold pieces together, and there's only, this and her leggings, maybe a little bit of the hat, are what I would put together to make those pieces up, to fit those pieces together. And it's very similar, you know, when you're out there. I love puzzles because it remind me of my adventure as a real estate investor. So let me talk about your first piece to your puzzle as a real estate investor is you've got to get crystal clear on your vision. You've got to create that so beautifully and perfectly before you start investing in real estate, so you don't make the classic beginner's mistake of buying cheap properties in no to low income areas where you're going to have high maintenance and high management issues, versus what I teach you, which is to invest in properties that are easy to own, easy to manage, and easy to maintain. Ask me questions. I love answering your questions. Thanks so much for following me. Put those pieces together. Know the right questions that you need to know answers to before you begin. And bye for now.